This is room 431 in the North Tower of the Hilton Oceanfront in Daytona Beach. So when you first walk in, here's like a sink area outside of the actual bathroom. Here's a hairdryer hanging from the door. Shower. So here's another sink. So there's two sinks in this. I like how that's separate. This way, if you need to wash your face or brush your teeth while somebody's in here, you have out here. Now this used to be the Adams Mark Resort a long time ago, but then it was bought out by Hilton. So this is the two queens, and this is the Oceanfront. So, telephone, you know, the typical. Little chest of drawers. TV's a pretty large size, Panasonic. Behind the TV, ice bucket, cups. Not much counter space here, but the room is really clean. Hidden over here, and it's coffee bean, which if you're anything like me, that is my favorite, and we don't have them here in Florida, so I get so excited anytime there's coffee bean when I stay at a Hilton. Little sitting area. And here is the view. It's floor to ceiling windows. There's a bar here. I'm not sure if this opens. Oh, it looks like it does. Oh, it does. Okay, so it's not really a balcony because there's not any space, but it does open. So here's a view of the pool. There's two pools here. There's one that's up on top of one of the other floors. I'm not sure if that's an adults only. And then directly below me is like a tiki bar with food and everything. So here's the beach. Gorgeous, gorgeous views. And over here, there's a Joe's Crab Shack on the pier. And then once you pass Joe's Crab Shack, there's where you can go fishing. And then there's the boardwalk with all the rides and everything. It really comes to life at night. And during the summertime, they do fireworks off the pier. Okay, so that's it for the Hilton Daytona Beach Oceanfront. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Click to subscribe. We have lots more hotel room tours, travel, and we'll see you next time. I forgot to look right across from where this little mirror and sink is. There's a closet. So here's an ironing board, and a safe, as well as a little luggage thing. All right, thanks guys.